Hey guys, so good to see you again. Whenever there is a festival season around, most of us take as an opportunity to clean our spaces, and it's an immense delight to see our space shaping into a clean and beautiful areas. And home feels much more cozy and comfortable when it is filled with natural fragrance, and it matters a lot, specifically during the festival season. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you few natural ways to make your home a place full of fragrance, warmth and love. So let's begin. First is simmer pot. This is an awesome solution to freshen up your kitchen after cooking a big meal or to make the whole house smell good. Simply cut some orange and lemon into a thin slice, and you can try some other combinations like orange and cinnamon, lemon and rosemary, lavender or grapefruit. Now add oranges and lemons to a pot of water and bring it to boil, and continue to boil for a few minutes, then turn the heat down to simmer. The vapor will not only freshen up the air, but it also purifies at the same time, and this humidity prevents dry skin. You can even transfer into a jar. Simmer pots are an excellent natural air freshener, and I use the simmer pot recipe in cooler weathers to add freshness, humidity and warmth to my home. Next DIY is baking soda air freshener. This is a very simple DIY for rooms that need little bit of extra freshness, and simply fill a mason jar with baking soda. Add few drops of essential oil. You can keep a small bottle of essential oil of your choice. Lavender, peppermint, lemon, eucalyptus and rosemary oils are good options. And then you have to cover the jar with a piece of paper. The baking soda will absorb the nasty smell in the room. So don't use a metal or plastic covering that will block the baking soda from absorbing bad smell. Next is perfume pouch. It's a fun and simple DIY. So I'm just going to create perfume pouches for drawers, cabinets, washrooms I have in my home. And here I'm using dry potpourri, which is easily available in any supermarket, and you can buy in different flavors. So if you use them like this, they don't last longer. So instead of that, try to use pouches, and what we need to do, we need to just pour some potpourri in that, and you just create pouches as many as you want depending on the number of cabinets, drawers, washrooms you have in your home or any other place you want to use this. And if you don't want to use them in a pouch, you could display potpourri in an attractive bowl on your coffee table. The nice thing about making pouches is that you can hang them anywhere. So the idea is we are trapping the aroma that will last several weeks inside the pouch. The potpourri mixture will last 4 to 6 weeks minimum. So to refresh the scent at any time, you just need to mix it up a bit and then add fresh drops of essential oil. So now let's make some more pouches. Closets and drawers can easily retain bad smell due to the accumulation of dust and moisture, and these smell can also affect the clothing you store inside. So instead of using chemicals, potpourri is a natural way to improve odor of your closet. And once you're done with making pouches, place them in the drawers, cabinets or hang them, and you will find that your entire house is filled with a aromatic smell. Last DIY is a pillow spray, or you can say a spray for your living area. So for this DIY pillow spray, take 2 parts of water and then 1/4 part of rubbing alcohol. Then after that, I'm going to add 1/4 part of rose water and few drops of essential oil. So I'm using lavender oil, but you can use any other flavor like eucalyptus is also good for this. Then after that, mix it very well and transfer into a spray bottle. Now spray into your living area, and that aroma is so amazing. Your living area will be so fresh. So that was some easy DIYs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye. Take care.